Hi, this is Keith with Armolini Express Lines. This is just a quick instruction video on installing the Trakkit GPS along with a sensor. You have your GPS power wire, which we call the yellow plug. Obviously there's a yellow plug. Then we have the sensor wire, which is gray. It's a 2-wire, unlike the power, which is 4. This is the gray wire. On the yellow plug wire, you have the red, which is power, black negative. Green is your NC1 sensor, and your white is the NC2 sensor, not used at this time. Then your sensor gray wire has 2 wires, white, which is going to go to the black negative, and red to the green. You're also going to need a 3/8 inch conduit hose. We just use an air brake hose, and you cut that to a 5 1/4 inch. So